graduated in 2016 with a bachelor's degree in agricultural business development. So I originally came to SUNY Morrisville thinking that I wanted to be a nurse. I had a lot of persuasion from my parents. I knew I didn't have the opportunity to go home to our dairy farm, but I always knew that agriculture had a strong place here at Morrisville. So when I came and did my first semester in general education, I decided that nursing was not the way that I wanted to go, and I truly found who I was and my passion from Morrisville, knowing that I wanted to be a part of the agricultural industry. I've been with Cornell Cooperative Extension since October 2019. In that position, I work with our local schools to bring agriculture in the classroom to our students, bridging the gap between our local consumers as well as our local producers, creating a background of knowledge for our future generation, letting them know that there's opportunities within agriculture. Sheila Marshman does a great job with her freshman students, helping them find the path where they feel best. When I came to Sheila and said that I wanted to be in the agricultural program, she was so enthusiastic about my future and the career path that I could choose graduating with an agricultural degree from here at Morrisville. My friends that I've graduated with go home and are now managing their family dairy farms. Or I see strong women that have graduated from Morrisville creating their own business ventures, corporate positions, executive directors, agricultural educators. We're educating the next generation about the importance of agriculture, but we're also showing young ladies that you have a field. Agriculture isn't just a field for men, it's a field for women also.
The type of student I see as being successful in my class is hardworking, dedicated, loves the industry, so there's passion, determination, different skills that we can't teach. I think students like that are the students that are really going to help succeed and push the future of agriculture, especially here in New York State, but in the country as a whole.
There's so many opportunities. You can be anywhere from working at a farmer's market to running a large dairy cooperative. There's so many opportunities within agriculture. Just do your best to find what you fit into.